Question 1. Which freedom fighter is called the Grand Old Lady of the independence movement? Correct answer is B. Aruna Asaf Ali. Question 2. Where in India is the first indigenously built atomic power plant located? Correct answer is B. Kalpakkam. Question 3. Which article of the Constitution is mentioned for the Vice President's removal procedure? Correct answer is D. Article 67(b). Question 4. Which of the following is credited with the introduction of the Hindu-Muslim unity festival Phool Walon Ki Sair? Correct answer is D. Akbar II. Question 5. Which port is also known as partition of offspring? Correct answer is C. Kandla Port. Question 6. Which Indian state is also called as the Falcon capital of the world? Correct answer is B. Nagaland. Question 7. Who called the revolt of 1857 as student, farmer middle class revolt? Correct answer is D. Dr. Amba Prasad. Question 8. The account of Kalinga War is mentioned in which inscription? Correct answer is D. 13 Major Rock Edict. Question 9. Which of the Constitution provisions lays down that taxes can be neither be carried nor collected without the authority of law? Correct answer is D. Article 265. Question 10. Who wrote the pamphlet, Now or Never? Correct answer is A. Rehmat Ali. Question 11. Who of the following scholars had periodized Indian history into 3 periods? Correct answer is C. James Mill. Question 12. Who among the following is regarded as father of two-nation theory? Correct answer is B. Syed Ahmad Khan. Question 13. During which 5-year plan did India opted for a mixed economy? Correct answer is C. Second 5-year plan. Question 14. 11-degree channel divides which of the following group of islands? Correct answer is D. Amendivi and Kannanau. Question 15. What was the motto of Census 2011? Correct answer is D. Our census, our future. Question 16. Which was the first site to be excavated after independence? Correct answer is D. Roped. Question 17. Which of the following texts is a famous ancient Indian legal text? Correct answer is A. Manusmriti. Question 18. When did Dandi March started? Correct answer is C. The 12th of March 1930. Question 19. The Rig Veda consisted of how many verses? Correct answer is C. 10,600 verses. Question 20. Who among the following were the official negotiators with the Cripps mission? Correct answer is C. Pandit Nehru and Maulana Azad. Question 21. Who accused the Indian National Congress of practicing political of prey, petition and protest? Correct answer is A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question 22. Which among the following clouds is a rain-bearing cloud? Correct answer is C. Nimbus cloud. Question 23. Which central government agency is responsible for the mapping and exploration of minerals? Correct answer is A. The Geological Survey of India. Question 24. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the annual financial statement? Correct answer is C. Article 112. Question 25. The famous Buddhist council that marked the division into Hinayana and Mahayana was held during the reign of? Correct answer is B. Kanishka. Question 26. During which 5-year planning was NABARD established? Correct answer is C. Sixth 5-year plan. Question 27. The scheme Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao was launched on. Correct answer is C. January 22, 2015. Question 28. The British government introduced the portfolio system for the first time in. Correct answer is A. 1861. Question 29. The Indian National Army came into existence in 1943 in. Correct answer is C. Singapore. Question 30. Who announced Queen Victoria as the Crown of India? Correct answer is A. Lord Lytton. Question 31. Jaina literature is known as. Correct answer is D. Agamas or Angas. Question 32. Which of the following Vedas provides information about the civilization of the early Vedic age? Correct answer is A. Rig Veda. Question 33. Which river is called Dakshina Ganga? Correct answer is A. Godavari. Question 34. The India Gate was built in the memory of Indian soldiers who were killed during. Correct answer is B. World War I. Question 35. River Satluj enters India through which pass? Correct answer is D. Shipkila Pass. Question 36. Which water body separates Andaman in the north and Nicobar in the south? Correct answer is A. 10-degree channel. Question 37. Which of the following ports is the largest natural port of India? Correct answer is B. Mumbai Port. Question 38. What does GPT in ChatGPT stand for? Correct answer is B. Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Question 39. Which act has been amended by the Waqf Amendment Act, 2025? Correct answer is C. Waqf Act, 1995. Question 40. Which article of the Constitution of India is related to the joint session of the Parliament? Correct answer is C. 108.